Magandang araw po. Ang paksa po natin ngayon ay regarding dito sa mga bulaang propeta, bulaang pastor. At dito po makikita natin sa aral na ito na talagang napakarami mga bulaang mangangaral. Lalong-lalo na doon sa mga sekta o reliyon na nagsulputan ngayon. Gaya nga po nung nakalagay dun sa Mateo 24:24. Sapagkat may magsisilitaw ng mga bulaang Kristo at mga bulaang propeta at mga nagpapakita ng mga dakilang tanda at mga kababalaghan, ano pat ililigaw kung maaari pati ng mga hirang. So dito sa inyong mapapanood ngayon, makikita niyo yung series ng pandaraya. Kaya nga po tinawag yung bulaang Kristo o bulaang propeta sapagkat mga sinungaling nga po eh. At dito mapapatunayan natin na talagang yung sinasabi ng Espiritu ay katotohanan. Ano po? Kasi marami ngayon ha, hindi lamang sa ibang bansa, marami ngayon, ultimo mga Pilipino, gumagawa rin ng ganitong gimmick, yung pagpapagaling, pinapanalangin, and then pagagalingin, na ipinalalabas nila na galing mismo sa Diyos. Sige po, panuorin po natin itong video nito. Ito makikita niyo dito yung ginawa. Ayan, pinagagawa ko ng mga pastor o mga sunod-sunudan na yung mga miyembro. Walang naiintindihan.
She's just a visitor with a prayer request.
I really wanted to go and maybe the pastor pray for me so I can get a job. I'm so depressed.
The 27-year-old has been in trouble with her landlord for missing her rental payment.
The member of the church came to me and say, "You want money, right?" And I say, "Yes, I want money because right now things are not fine with me, so I really want money." Then they said, "We want you to come next week." For the first time, they didn't tell me what to do.
She attended the prophetic salt service and she believed God for a healing, man of God.
When Ravesai honors the invitation, it turns out to be a Sunday of testimonies.
For 3 years, she was HIV positive.
For 3 years?
3 years, man of God.
Tell me what happened.
They gave me a paper. That was 2 of them. The first one was written, I was positive because they already knew my name and my surname. So they went, I don't know where, to the doctor and say I was HIV positive. And the other one was saying I'm now negative.
3 years is torment.
Ravesai does not get to speak for herself though.
She was tormented, Pastor Alf, by that disease. On Monday, she went for a test, and she saw the test was negative. But just something said, let me check again on Thursday.
Come on now.
And Pastor, when she went back on Thursday, she got the exact results, HIV negative.
Hey! God is fighting for us.
I was not positive. I've never been positive. They wanted me to act as if I was positive, and then Pastor prayed for me, and I get healed so they can attract other people to come to the church. They promised me money.
How much?
They said they were going to give me 1.5 every month.
Hers has been a life full of regret.
So I don't want them to publish me anymore.
As you can see here on this.
Coming out for the first time.
Yes.
Here, yeah.
This one.
Did you also recruit her?
Yes, this is me.
And this
As you
is
can see.
the lady that you were at. This man reveals to us he was the mastermind behind the alleged acts.
Blessing. She comes Sunday morning because I tell her that it's not a big deal. I'll just give you a paper, a card written you were positive, now you are negative. So it's easy, you don't talk anything. This Pastor Jackie will talk for you.
33-year-old Blessing Kwemelau further reveals his role was to recruit.
Yes.
He claims he trained visitors to to stage disability during sermons.
I was going to them and speak to them clearly. Guys, you know what the Nigerians did when they act. We are going to act. When we are acting, we want our things to be as real. So when we say you are crippled, you must act as that.
God healed you of HIV. HIV
4 years.
free.
Brother Sai was not his only enlisted actor. There were many others.
5 years.
We were something like 3 to 4 teams which were doing the same job. So for me, they were coming like, blessing, we need 10 people for wheelchairs, 3 ladies, which will say we were having breast cancer. We want somebody like, she said I was deaf. When the pastor prays for her or for him, he or she will say, I'm now hearing. You see? So I was finding people, telling them, this job is like this, like this, like this.
He says he was given more role play because of his physique.
The time I arrived at the church, I take that person, I lift him or her up as if he is crippled. I put him or her on the wheelchair. I put another one in the basement floor, overflow, inside, at the different corners.
I see there's a name written Tande. Kwemelao says a chain of communication would be initiated and SMSs would be passed on, giving instructions to actors. He shows us a barrage of text messages he claims are sent to actors during a service in 2017.
I text there whilst we were on the church, because we go with this lady. We say to her, we will tell you your scripture there. So when we arrived there, the lady I was working with, she sent me the message. She said, tell that lady that she was not hearing for 3 years, as you can see. Then I tell her, not hearing for 3 years. Then I see she never replied. I say, come out. She come out of the church and I explained to her that if the pastor prayed for you, if somebody talking to you don't answer, you are deaf, don't hear. But after she declares, you start screaming, jumping, as you can see here. Scream now and say, I can hear, I can hear. Go in front now. You see?
Kwemelao reveals this was also extended to special services.
And then this other one, she was on the wheelchair. This guy. It was the VIP service. So the team was like, break the platter and crush the head of the viper. So I tell him here, after breaking the platter, you will shake and stand. Because he was on the wheelchair, as if he is crippled.
And he was not crippled?
He was not.
There is a family that is about to take a corpse to Zimbabwe. Hey!
The man has allegedly been dead for 3 days.
He died in my hand.
And this is your brother?
Yeah, this is my brother.
Jesus.
Jesus. Yeah.
Jesus. So where did you keep the body?
The body was on the mortuary.
This body is coming from the mortuary?
Yes.
This man died since Friday. Hey.
On close inspection, there are visible signs of life.
Where is the media now?
And what happens next has left tongues wagging.
Elliot.
Jesus.
Lift your hands. Lift your hands.
My good God.
Barabasa tabasa.
To the congregants, an unprecedented scene is unfolding before their eyes.
What is this? Never seen before. Never seen before. Church of God. Maya Husa Geta Tota. Look what's happening.
I have absolutely no doubt in my mind whatsoever. I will stake my life on the fact that I believe that if that wasn't real, I'm not real.
Sana po sa inyong napanood ay maging babala na hindi ko mo nangangaral ay sa Diyos na. Muli po, sumatin po ang biyaya, awa, habag, pagpapala mula kay YAHAWAH. Isang magandang araw po sa bawat isa. Maraming pong salamat.